Hello, I'm Dr. Hadil Tonsi. I'm going to tell you about a discovery that can change your character as you wish in just overnight. Uh, I'm patent on instant um, uh, leadership mindset development from distance and on also immediate healing for personality development. This can be done in situ or over distance to any place in the world. Uh, what happens is that through a video call of an average of 3 hours, where we can agree on the analysis and the objectives of the personality development. This video it takes around 3 hours, and it means that we are convinced on the level of the conscious mind, which in average is about 5% only of our mind. But at night, when you are sleeping at your home, in the comfort of your home, I'm going to imprint what we have agreed on your unconscious mind as if it happened. And in the morning, following morning, you will get up, you will be followed up once you wake up, and at the end of the day, to be sure that everything we had agreed happened. The objectives are as follows. It will take away all negative emotions and ideas and memories from your mind. It will enhance the positive side. It will arrive with you to the highest possible degree of happiness, inner peace, efficiency, and maturity. You will be a troubleshooter, a leader, a role model, able to work with creativity and quantity, and you can also motivate others. If you will have very high degree of feelings of deeper and more comprehensive awareness. Decision making will be quick and decisive and correct, and you will implement everything you want with accuracy and quickly. You will be a troubleshooter, as I told, and you will feel comfortable in anything, in any situation. This can be done. This is done for every person. But apart from this, if you have traumas, they will be relieved. If you have neurotic disease like depression and anxiety, obsession, phobias, it will be relieved. Your relations on the level of family, social, and professional will be adjusted. You will adjust everything with the capacity to make win-win situation. Or if you want to be a speaker, you can impress the people who listen to you. You will also eliminate all psychosomatic disorders like headache, tensions in neck and shoulders, disorders of heart disorders, pulmonary disorders, acidity in the stomach, spastic colon. You will be active, you will be able to learn, you will be able to work. Even I can adjust the hours of your sleep to sleep the hours you need deeply and comfortably. You can also eliminate obesity and addiction to smoking with ease, without suffering. Of course, this will happen through time, but you will enjoy the process. This work, it is 96% success. It is prior to this work, I need a telephone call of short telephone call of around 10 minutes to know the case, to tell them the process and what do they expect from it. It is fit for every person, except if it is a child under 12 that cannot make the dialogue with me for 3 hours. It's not also doesn't work for psychotic people, nor for drug and alcohol addicts. Many films, 3 films were made about it, about my work, 2 American and 1 Egyptian, 7 times conferences, 30 seminars, 20 times in TV, 6 times in radio. It is there, it is chosen by an international publishing house specialized in discoveries as one of the best discoveries in the year 2021, and so they dedicated a chapter for this work of a reference book. It has no complication, no drugs used, no effort, no pain, completely safe. It is also, I was chosen for this as a chairman of the Council of Medicine and Welfare by Earth Loving Friendly Organization, which has a representative of leaders of many countries around the world. This work can be done for individuals, it can be done in spas, it can be done in leader formation institutes. It can also, I should train talented trainers to do it and spread it all over the world to make all institution work with better quantity and quality production, with peaceful ambience. It can be taken to international prizes because it's really changing health and the psychology of the person and the relations, interpersonal relations, and the habits, and so it creates another society if it is spread. You can have details about this, including seminars which has vocal testimonials and written testimonials, certificates, CV, and articles, and video meetings in my site www.hadiltonsi.com, and there also you can get my my contact details. This is it will change your life overnight. If you have neurotic disease, you will not only solve the problems of the disease, but you arrive to a higher level that you will not be ill again. It's the best present you can give to someone who is in need or who wants to have continuous education to develop their personality. And I really I don't want to have this work alone. I'm patent on it twice, as I told you. It is published in a British Journal of Psychology and Psychiatry as a research article, meaning discoveries that are revised by 2 peer reviews. So all of these details you can find in my site. Kindly spread this work for the happiness of the people around you, and maybe for yourself if you need to have a better society and happy people around us. Thank you so much.